Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone EUDIALYTE, the stone of strong heart. For those who've watched my meditations before, welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is now available. If you'd like to check that out, I'll put a link in the description box below and in the eye above. I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life, to initiate change and transformation, to improve the quality of your life. These guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, hearing its positive qualities and how it can support you, and deciding if that's a gemstone that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, The Top 4 Crystal Wisdom Benefits of EUDIALYTE, then I will link that in the eye above as well if you'd like to get some more information about how EUDIALYTE can support you. If you do have a piece of this gemstone, then this is a good time to go and get that and put that by your meditation space. But you don't need a piece of this gemstone to benefit from the meditation today. If any of the questions that I bring up in this meditation, they call to you, speak to you, or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some EUDIALYTE and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this meditation today is a comfortable seat. And that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. So if you have your piece of EUDIALYTE, or you're ready to picture a black and fuchsia colored stone in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to how it feels to breathe right now. Is your breath smooth, open, or constricted? How does it feel? Then bring your attention to the rest of your physical body and notice if there's any physical sensation standing out to you right now. Then checking in with your heart center to see if there are any emotions sitting with you right now. And then bringing your awareness to the state of your mind. Is it calm, distracted, busy? And remember, there is no right way to be. We're not trying to fix anything, just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. Then bringing your attention to those places on your body that touch the cushion, the ground, the floor beneath you. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, perfectly supported by its entire mass, sitting directly over its center. You have access to all of the energy of the earth, so you will be supported and guided during this meditation today. If you do have a piece of eudialyte, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the stone today. If you don't have a piece of this stone, then picture a black, fuchsia pink, and white gemstone in your mind. If you are holding your piece, then take a minute to get to know your piece of eudialyte. Feel its weight in your hand. Run your fingers over the surface. And take a moment to feel your eudialyte. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind since you picked up the stone. And imagine that you have a warm, heavy blanket wrapped around your shoulders. You feel safe and secure. And sit with this image of eudialyte energy for a minute. Eudialyte is the stone of strong heart. As you sit and hold or imagine the stone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you recovering from a breakup? The end of a relationship? Do you find it hard to trust others? Do you struggle with difficult emotions in your relationships? Are you in the midst of a challenging relationship, whether it be friends, family, or romantic relationships? Are you seeking a new, healthy relationship? All of these life situations are supported by eudialyte. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to your heart, your body, your mind, and sit with it for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the stone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation since you've been holding the stone. And look and see if anything has changed in your body, your heart, and your mind since you started this guided meditation. Then release the image of the EUDIALYTE energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your regular breathing. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to meditate with EUDIALYTE, the stone of strong heart. And if you do feel like this is a gemstone you would like to work with more, these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of the gemstone when you need it. That is the essence of how crystal wisdom works to initiate change in your life. By knowing which situations in life that you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to this channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. And if you're interested in learning how a wide variety of gemstones can help you improve the quality of your life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.